Hey there everybody, Katie here, head coach at Reorigin, and I'm going to take you through Yoga Nidra for sleep. This is a really great practice to include in your nighttime routine. So if you struggle with going to bed at night or you just want to sleep deeper, make sure that you stick with this video and follow along with me for this Yoga Nidra for sleep. So wherever you are, just go ahead and find a nice comfortable position. I like to lay in bed. You might lay in bed, you might sit in a comfortable chair, whatever feels best for you. And as you get nice and comfortable, take a few deep breaths, breathing in through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. And then you might begin to close your eyes or find a soft gaze out in front of you. And once you're in a relaxed state, go ahead and begin to visualize yourself on the beach. You're going to be at the edge of a boardwalk overlooking the expansive ocean out in front of you. Begin to engage all 5 of your senses. So as you're looking out on the ocean, notice the blue of the sky and the blue of the water with the white crests of the waves as they come crashing in. Smell the salty sea air. Hear the seagulls overhead. And feel the wind on your skin. As you're looking down, notice the beach below you. And on the beach, there's a large canopy with a bed. Begin to walk towards the stairs of the boardwalk. Maybe you graze your hand on the handrail, feeling the texture of the wood in the palm of your hand. And once you reach the steps, begin slowly walking down one step at a time. And as you take each step, notice yourself getting just a little bit more relaxed. Stepping all the way down and on to the beach, begin to feel the sand beneath your toes. Notice the grains on the bottom of your foot as you walk over towards the canopy. Feel the wind on your skin and feel the warmth of the sun overhead. Continue to move closer to the canopy and come to the bed underneath the canopy. There's no one around on the beach, so you know that this spot is here for you. Begin to pull back the bedding and slide into bed, noting that this is the most comfortable and safe bed that you've ever experienced. You are all alone and completely safe. Begin to let your eyes shut or close and allow your head to rest on your pillow. Bring your awareness to your breath. Each time you inhale, count your breath in, and each time you exhale, count your breath out. It may sound like I am breathing in, and I am breathing out. Feel yourself getting heavier, sleepier, and more relaxed as you count your inhales and exhales. Slowly notice all of the sensations around you as you're resting in your bed under the canopy on the beach. Feel the softness of the sheets on your skin, the breeze on your face. Smell the sea air and listen to the waves crashing in the distance. Allow yourself to fully savor this moment. Now begin to scan your body. Notice the bottoms of your feet, your shins, your knees, thighs, and hips, and your low back. Bring your awareness to your belly button, the center of your abdomen. Then scan up to your heart at the center of your chest. Shift your awareness to your jaw, your lips, your cheeks, and your nose. Then to the center of your forehead. Let your awareness stay there as you continue to breathe and slowly drift off to sleep. Gently bring your awareness back to your body and back to the room that you are lying in. You may slowly blink your eyes open. You may slowly begin to wiggle fingers or toes. And from where you are, you may stay just here and go right to sleep. Or you may get up and move to your actual bed. Whatever you do, just allow yourself to stay calm here before you go to bed for the evening. If you enjoyed this Yoga Nidra for sleep and you want more of things like this, please subscribe to our YouTube and follow Reorigin.